Mechanic exposes 5 wiper blade brands to avoid, and 3 that actually last. That cheap wiper blade you bought to save $20 could be scratching your windshield right now. That $20 mistake turns into a $1,000 windshield replacement. A damaged blade means you're not seeing the road clearly in rain or snow, and that's how accidents happen. So before you grab another set off the shelf, let's talk about which brands are doing this to your car. Brand number 1 might be sitting on your car right now. Number 5. Rain-X Weatherbeater. Rain-X. Weatherbeater is everywhere. It's cheap, it's easy to find, and for a lot of people it does the job for a while. The complaints I hear most are about how fast that while runs out. Customers come back in 3 or 4 months saying the blade is already chattering or skipping on the glass, especially once the rubber has had some sun exposure. In hot climates, the edge can start breaking down faster than you'd expect for the price you paid. It's not a disaster of a blade. It's just a blade that asks you to replace it more often than the box implies. If you're someone who swaps blades every season anyway, you probably won't notice. If you're hoping to set it and forget it for a year, this one tends to disappoint. These wipers are best for budget buyers who don't mind replacing blades often. Number 4. Michelin Stealth Ultra. This one surprises people because Michelin has a name that means something in the tire world. But wiper blades are a different game, and the Stealth Ultra gets mixed reviews depending on the vehicle. Some owners get a full season of clean wipes with no issues. Others report the plastic components on the frame loosening up over time, which leads to a wobble you can hear before you can see it. Fit is the other recurring issue. On certain makes, the blade doesn't sit quite right against the curve of the windshield, so you end up with a strip that never quite gets wiped clean, no matter how new the blade is. If you're in a mild climate and don't drive in heavy rain often, you'll probably be fine. If you live somewhere wet, it's worth checking reviews for your specific vehicle before buying. These wipers are best for mild climates with light, occasional rain. Number 3. ANCO 31 Series. ANCO has been around forever, and the 31 series is one of the most common blades you'll find at auto parts stores, simply because it's affordable and fits almost anything. The trade-off is the design. It uses a conventional metal frame instead of the sealed beam style you see on newer premium blades, and that open frame is exactly where snow and ice like to build up. Once ice packs into the joints, the blade can't flex properly against the glass, and you get gaps in your wipe pattern right when visibility matters most. At highway speed, that same open frame catches more wind, which is why some drivers notice the blade lifting or fluttering on the freeway. It's a fine blade for an older car you're not putting much money into, or as a stopgap until you can get something better. These wipers are best for older vehicles or temporary replacements. Number 2. Trico Exact Fit. Trico Exact Fit is the kind of blade most people buy without thinking twice, because the name on the box matches their car so neatly. Installation is genuinely simple, and that's the main thing it has going for it. Where it falls short is consistency. The lifespan is about average, nothing special, and on some vehicle and blade size combinations, owners report streaking that shows up sooner than expected, sometimes within just a couple of months. The frustrating part is how much this varies by model line. One size might perform fine for a year, while a different size on the same shelf wears out in half that time. It's not a brand I'd call bad, but it's also not one I'd call reliable enough to trust blind. These wipers are best for drivers who want a simple, no-research installation. Number 1. Generic store brands. This is the one that brings in the most repeat customers, and not in a good way. I'm talking about the unbranded or private label economy lines you see at discount stores and some big box retailers, the ones priced low enough that you don't think twice about grabbing a pair. The rubber compound on these is usually the weak point. It hardens fast under UV exposure, which means squeaking and streaking show up within weeks, not months. I've had customers install a set on a Friday and come in complaining by the following week. If you need something right now because your old blade just snapped and you're stuck in a parking lot, fine, grab one to get you home. Just don't expect it to last, and don't be surprised when you're back at the store sooner than you'd like. These wipers are best for true emergencies only. Now let's flip it around. These 3 are the ones that mechanics actually reach for on their own cars, and the ones we recommend when a customer asks what's worth the extra few dollars. Number 3. PIAA Silicone. PIAA does something different from almost everyone else on this list. Instead of standard rubber, they use a silicone blade, and that one material material choice changes everything. Silicone holds up to sun and heat far better than rubber, so you're not dealing with that fast hardening you get with cheaper blades. It also leaves a thin water-repellent coating on the glass as it wipes, which means rain beads up and rolls off instead of smearing. Mechanics who deal with extreme weather, whether that's brutal summer heat or freezing winters, tend to gravitate toward this brand specifically because it handles both ends of the spectrum without falling apart. Number 2. Bosch ICON. Bosch ICON shows up on a lot of best of lists for a reason. The build quality is noticeably different the moment you pick one up. It's quiet at highway speed, which sounds minor until you've spent a winter listening to a cheaper blade chatter across your windshield every 2 seconds. The all-weather performance is the real selling point though. Rain, snow, sleet, it handles all of it consistently, and the UV resistance means the rubber doesn't crack and harden the way budget blades do after one hot summer. A lot of mechanics, myself included, treat Bosch ICON as the benchmark other premium blades get measured against. Number 1. Valeo Ultimate. Valeo earns the top spot for a simple reason. They're an original equipment supplier, meaning a lot of automakers use Valeo blades straight from the factory. That tells you something about the engineering behind them. The wipe is smooth and quiet, the kind of performance you don't really notice because nothing is going wrong. Durability is where it separates itself though. Owners report these holding up through full seasons of rain, snow, and summer heat without the usual breakdown you'd expect from a year of abuse. If you want one blade you can install and genuinely forget about for the better part of a year, this is the one mechanics keep coming back to. A few others worth knowing about, even though they didn't make the top 3. Trico Diamond performs noticeably better than the standard Trico lineup. Bosch Focus is a solid mid-tier option if the ICON is out of your price range, and if your car is still under factory blades from Toyota, Honda, or Ford, those OEM options are usually built to a higher spec than the aftermarket equivalent. Denso and Aero Premium round out the list as reliable choices that don't get talked about enough. Here's the part most videos skip. The best wiper blade in the world will still perform badly on a dirty or damaged windshield. Buying a premium blade and never cleaning your glass is like buying new tires and never checking the air pressure. So a few quick habits that matter as much as the brand you choose. Clean your windshield regularly, not just when it's visibly dirty. Wipe down the rubber edge of your blades about once a month with a damp cloth, since road grime builds up there even when you can't see it. Replace your blades every 6 to 12 months, regardless of how they look, because UV damage happens before you can see cracks. Never run your wipers on a bone-dry windshield. That's one of the fastest ways to wear down the rubber edge. And if you're expecting snow or ice, lift your blades off the glass before the storm hits so they don't freeze to the windshield overnight. That's the real list, based on what actually shows up in the shop, not just what the marketing says on the box. If this saved you from buying the wrong blade, drop a comment with what brand you're currently running. I read everyone. And if you want more videos like this where I go through what's actually worth your money versus what's just well marketed, subscribe and I'll keep them coming.